Hey guys, if you're looking to learn how to trade crypto, all you gotta do is buy low and sell high. That's it. I'm done. What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to trade cryptocurrency right now. Hey guys, what is up? My name is June and I will be going over some of the basic things you need to learn before you do any type of trading when it comes to cryptocurrency. Before I get started on this video, I just want to say shout out to all the crypto traders in the Philippines. Man, they're making it happen. I just wanted to say that. And I hope you guys get some type of value from this video. It doesn't matter if you're in the Philippines or wherever you are in the world. In this video, I'm going to be trying to do my best to explain as much as I can and the best I can. Due to the information I'm about to go over, there's going to be a lot of information that to some viewers, this might be a long video. So if it's a little long for you guys, you can always come back and watch it another day. If you're not interested in learning about it right now. But if you are interested in learning and wanting to know more about trading, please, go ahead and stick around. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get started with the basic. So assuming you guys already have picked out your platform that you want to use, and assuming that you already deposited your money into the platform, and now you're wondering what is next. Okay. Now, before you end up buying anything, there's some things you need to know before you buy or jump into any crypto, which is knowing where to jump in, knowing where the trend is, knowing where that crypto is in that particular time, whether if it's an uptrend or downtrend. So this next part of the video is I'm going to show you some pretty basic things you need to know, so that way you're pretty much familiar with the charts. And before you make a decision buying a crypto, you need to take a look at the charts to see exactly where it's at the moment. We are going to be learning and identifying what type of patterns you need to be looking at or looking for, as well as breakouts. And we need to learn about price actions within a candle time frame, bullish candlesticks and bearish candlesticks as well, and reversal patterns. All right, so now we can go ahead and take a look at my little cheat sheet here. What you're looking at here on the top left hand corner is the bearish candle, which is usually colored red, and the bullish candlestick, which is usually colored green. Now green means bullish, means the price of the crypto or stock that you're looking at is working its way up, while the red candle means the candle is bearish, meaning going down. So some things you need to take a look at over here is the open price, the closing price, the high price, and the low price. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump onto this chart here. So if you notice that in this picture we have wicks, these little things right down here and above here are called wicks. Okay, and I'm gonna pretty much explain to you what those are. Remember, we have a closing price and an opening price on a green candle. So in my case, it's a white candle. So we opened here and we closed here, meaning that at one point it went up right here to this point, and then the bears, okay, the sellers pushed the price back down right here, and it closed right here. Okay, at one point, if you're looking at this candle here, at one point the sellers pushed the price down and the buyers pushed the price back up, ended up here. Okay, so since we closed here, we opened up on this candle here. Okay, we open up right there and we close right here. Same thing goes for the bearish candle. But this time, the price opened here and the price closed right here. Okay, going back to our chart, on a red candle, the price opened here and the candle closed right there. Okay, so this long wick down here is when the sellers pushed the price down. Okay, and buyers stepped in and pushed the price up and closed there. All right. So that's what a bearish and a bullish candlestick is. So you need to learn these things. There are different time frames on each candlestick. You can switch these up. Okay. You can switch these up, guys. Switch these up to whether 4 hours, 1 hour. Okay. 1 hour candlestick. You can, as you notice, there are a lot more of them. You can go to 4 hours. Notice there are a lot bigger candles, and you can go to daily candles, which is much bigger. But if you're trying to read the charts, sometimes you need to be able to switch back and forth. All right. So as you can see here, the bulls pushed the price up, okay, and then it came back down. Then that brings us to our next thing, which is identifying the trend. To identify the trend, guys, you need to draw your line. All right. So kind of like this example here, okay, you have the red line, okay, and you need to make sure that it's touching the wicks of these candles, kind of like this, for example. So you have this line right here going all the way up, boom, touch that line, and all the way up right there. Second line has to be down here, your resistance, and then this is called your support. In this trend, this price action here seems to be bouncing off this support right here. So it went up, came down, bounced off the support, went up, came down, bounce off the support, went up again, hit the resistance, got rejected, and then it went down. Went up a little bit, and then it went down. Support's still pretty strong right there. And then now you see a bounce up again. Consolidated here and finally broke through this resistance. I'm sorry, support. Went down. Okay, big selling candles as the trend breaks. This uptrend breaks right here. Then it found support right here. Boom, went up, hit the resistance, came back down, okay? And then bounced off that same support right here and went up right there, okay? Finally breaking this resistance, which is what we call a breakout. So something similar to this, you have this uptrend, it's hits a resistance, kind of goes inside this little triangle, kind of bounce off it, off the walls there until you finally have a breakout to the upside, which in the real charts kind of like this right here. You have the uptrend, you have a resistance right there, went down, and now you have this support right down here in this little triangle, right? Kind of like what you see right here. And then it kind of just bounced off these walls, support wall, resistance wall, until a breakout. So like this, uptrend, bounce off the walls, resistance, support, breakout. Now here are some reversal patterns that you actually, get to see sometimes. Identify these patterns as you learn your charts, kind of like this, trends. Which way is the trend going? Is it going up? Is it going sideways? Is it going down? Is it in a bull flag? Things like in that nature. Here is here's some reversal patterns that you need to know. We have an uptrend, hit a resistance here. Then you have a price action going down. There is a support right there, goes up, hit that same resistance. Now that's why it's called a double top. It goes up twice or hits this resistance up here twice and then makes its way down. What this is it goes up, goes down, goes up again, hit that same resistance twice, goes back down, and eventually the price target is right here. That is what you call a double top. Head and shoulders, I'm sure you guys already know what that is. Goes up, comes down, and then it goes up, hit all-time high, comes back down, goes up right about right here, and then you have a neckline right there. The target price is right down here, okay? Then you have a rising wedge, which means the price is kind of like, let's say if this was a rising wedge right here, you would see a lot of up and down, up and down, up and down, but eventually the price is bound to go down right here. Now you have an up, like what you call a double bottom. Now this is a sign of a reversal to the upside. You have something like a downtrend right here, then you go up, go back down, hit this same support twice, and then it eventually goes back up, hit the resistance, and then eventually breaks it, goes up to the upside. Same thing with the head. This is an inverse head and shoulder. This is what we saw with XRP not too long ago. Let me show you guys that right here. All right, guys, let me just show you what that is. You got the head and shoulder here, head, shoulder, head, another shoulder, and then neckline. Okay, you guys see that? So yeah, that's what that is. All right. And now the last one, guys, is a falling wedge. It's pretty much a downtrend, kind of goes up and down, is support and resistance, and then eventually breaks out to the upside, and the price target is right here. Okay. I believe that is it, guys. I hope that this has been a big help to all of you that are watching this video to the end. If you're still watching this, guys, I appreciate it. We are giving away $100 worth of XRP at the end of the month. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video.